As we're about to end the program, we now call on the members of the Parish of San Jose Music Ministry. The music ministry was established 4 months ago in preparation for the 40th founding anniversary under the leadership of our beloved Reverend Father Paul T. Velasco. The music ministry is composed of choirs of the parish and its chapels, namely the Parish of San Jose Choir, the Parish of San Jose Youngsters Choir, San Felipe Choir, Nuestra Señora del Pilar Choir, Juliana Choir, Archdiocese Chancery Choir, San Jose Village Choir, San Jose Panlumacan Choir, and Greenville Choir. They will sing the songs Love is the Answer and the apat na dekadang kasalpantayanan theme song. The final performance for today, Serenata for a Cause, Harana, kang San Jose. Once again, the Parish of San Jose Music Ministry.
So